Exploding eggs.
In the microwave.
Favorite time of the year.
Hey, for all you blondes out there, here's your TV show.
Blondie TV shows.
You went on for about a minute.
Spiders bite.
Is it a good idea to microwave this? An egg. You ain't gonna microwave your iPhone.
My pee-pee hurts.
Jordan Carey already did that. He's freaking... He already microwaved an iPhone. Check out his videos. This is definitely going on YouTube. Oh, it will. It will. Owie. Wait. Get some more time. Let's get behind the shield. Chair. We make fun of Jordan Carey, whatever his name is. The dude made stuff blow up in the microwave. The door don't.
Here, get under the table.
Boom. Scared. Let's go.
We should put a black bulb in there next time.
Yeah, this is just... Oh, shit!
Nothing.
I wonder if she found that fake poop on the ground. This shit was still recording. Look at wait. She's just in the bathroom. That's it. It's gonna be on YouTube. It's gonna be so funny. Blam.
Keep going. Keep it going. Blow, 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 blow.